myself Jeevi and Dr. Kiran Yadav. In this session, I will discuss about light dependent resistor. So let us see the construction of LDR. Modern light dependent resistors are made up of lead sulfide, lead selenide, indium antimonide, and most commonly cadmium sulfide and cadmium selenide. You should remember these names. The important ones are cadmium sulfide and cadmium selenide. A light-sensitive material is deposited on an insulating substrate such as ceramic. The material is deposited in zigzag pattern in order to obtain the desired resistance and power rating. This zigzag area separates the metal deposited areas into two regions. Then the ohmic contacts are made on the either sides of the area. The resistance of these ohmic contacts should be as less as possible to make sure that the resistance mainly changes due to the effect of light only. Highly purified cadmium sulfide powder and insert binding materials are mixed. This mixture is then pressed and sintered. The disc is then mounted in a glass envelope or encapsulated in transparent plastic to prevent surface contamination. So this is the diagram of a light dependent resistor. Now let us see the advantage as well as the disadvantage of a LDR. So LDRs are cheap and are easily available in many sizes and shapes. Practical LDRs are available in a variety of size and packages style. The most popular size having a phase diameter of roughly 10 mm. They need very small power and voltage for its operation. Disadvantages of LDR is they are highly inaccurate with a response time of about tens or hundred of milliseconds. Like they can't respond in such a small time. Now the applications of LDR. The first application of LDR is it used as a light sensor. The LED light up when the intensity of the light reaching the LDR resistor is sufficient. Example is automatic emergency light. It senses darkness, night and turns on automatically. Similarly, it senses daylight and turns off automatically. Series of LEDs are connected. Second use of LDR is as autocompressor. Autocompressor are devices which reduce the gain of the audio amplifier when the amplitude of the signal is above a set value. This is done to amplify soft sound. The third advantage of LDR is fire alarm. The alarms work by sensing the smoke produced during fire. When there is no smoke, the light from the bulb will be directly falling on the LDR. The LDR resistance will be low and so the voltage across it. The transistor will be off and nothing happens. When there is sufficient smoke to make the light to mask the light from falling on LDR, the LDR resistance increases and so do not do the voltage across it. In this way, it is used as fire alarm. It also is used as automatic street light, which automatically switches on when the night falls and turns off when the sun rises. So these are the applications of LDR. So thank you for your attention.